When we were on Recharge Rally, we got to see Drake's old F12, and today we get to see Drake's old Veyron. Hey everyone, it's time for the giveaway. I have a very dirty hat. And I just cut all the names out, and we're gonna throw them in the hat and shake them up and try not to look or see anything, but there are two right there. Alan Voss 92 and Nikola Eagle Kolunchik. So I think at least one of these pieces of merch is going overseas. I will contact you guys through Instagram and you pick out what you want and we'll get it sent out. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean, this is Dream Cars Daily. Today I'm off to Chicago. I'm headed to Perillo again for more car shopping. They have a BMW convertible, a hardtop convertible that we have some interest in, so I think we're gonna go check it out. I always say every good trip starts with coffee. This is my first time at the Perillo store, the BMW store anyway. So this is the first time at the BMW store. And when I first walked in and saw about 6 cars on the showroom floor, I figured they had to have more hiding somewhere.
This is just one floor. I mean, you know, we got this the kitty corner from there. We have a bunch of cars there. You know, that big building.
I know you. I think I knew about that warehouse. That's where you keep some of the really high stuff too.
Yeah. There is some crazy stuff in there.
I filmed for my YouTube channel, and
okay, perfect, man.
So I mean, I'm aware of all that stuff over there, and then I'm probably gonna stop by Gold Coast and look at the 918 and the stuff they have out on the floor.
They got a 918 over there?
As far as I'm told, they have 2 918s and they have Drake's old Veyron.
Wow. So those guys always are selling to like crazy celebrities.
I mean, that stuff's out of my price range. The used Lamborghini, used Ferrari, that's in my price range for now.
Those 918s are up in value like crazy.
Oh yeah, they're probably close to 2 mil now. Yeah, I would think.
This is it right here. The convertible, right?
Yep, that's the one.
Because the 435 Coupe Red is over there, but
no, I want the convertible because I like being able to put the top down. The Ferrari is gone. I had a California, which was a hard top convertible that got wrecked.
Oh.
And this seems logical as a nice daily driver. That I can still put the top down on and have a little fun with.
For sure.
But
I'll leave you the key. Do you want to take my cell number if you're like, hey Eddie, you know, we want to go for a test drive and I can come and get you?
Yeah, cool.
Want me to shoot you a text?
Yep.
All right. What do you call that? That's an interesting color. Brown, gold brown.
I love the 7 Series in the matte white, the matte metallic white.
First car that did that.
this BMW would make a much more reasonable daily driver than the Lamborghini. It is all-wheel drive, which is great for Michigan right now. Still a convertible, which is awesome, and it's got the M Sport pack, so little performance. Well, at least the suspension will feel good. We didn't buy a BMW today, but we do get to go to Gold Coast, the other Perillo lot. Andy, Chi-Town Exotics, says they have a couple of 918s, a Veyron, and well, they've got a lot. So we're gonna check it out real quick before heading back to Michigan. All right, comment below. What do you think about this purple? I have never seen this on a Lambo before. I love it. When we were on Recharge Rally, we got to see Drake's old F12 and the wonderful, fun people that were driving it. And today we get to see Drake's old Veyron. It's for sale if anybody's got, like, you know, 2.5 mil sitting around. I don't know if it's that much. It's probably less than that, but 1.2? 1.2. Hey, it could be yours for just 1.2. You could be just like those wonderful people on Recharge Rally driving Drake's F12, and you could brag so much that you have Drake's old car. All right, comment below. 918, or Veyron. Oh, I can't decide. Prius? Well, for the price of any of these, you could have like 50 Prius. Prii? How do you say it? What is the plural of Prius?
Cheap.
We got the green Evo Spike. I'm pretty sure that's Verde Mantis. I think this would be the one for me. Actually, no, I want the two-wheel drive Evo when it comes out, so I can go sideways. This is the first SVJ I've seen in the matte finish too. This one's specced out really nice with the yellow stitching, yellow accents, carbon, and the SVJ is painted on. That only costs, I think, $10,000 for that. As many times as I've seen these new Phantoms, I never get over how big they are. Pictures and video will never do this justice, but this car is 5.5 feet tall. First time here, I didn't know they had an upstairs, but aha, Maserati. Oh, and a P1 and a Diablo. Can't see the Diablo. A few more random cars upstairs. There's a Diablo 675 LT. Got a couple of 812 Superfast, I think. And what is that, a 550 Barchetta, maybe? I can't see everything back there. Comment below if I'm wrong. I probably got something wrong. And this car makes me miss my Bentley, but I'd have to have the 12-cylinder.
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm at Rock Bottom Brewery. Time to get some food before I head back to Michigan. You guys hit that subscribe button, throw me a like. Go to purekalamazoo.com/dreamcars and pick up some merch if you didn't win. And see you guys next video. Bye.